Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Children, as you know that today there was your live class, but due to some PTM schedule of my class, I was not able to take your live class. So I am putting a video in front of you. As you all know, today we are going to start our new chapter, What If It Finishes? Children, you know, this chapter is going to teach you a lot about our some basic resources that you are consuming every day. So today we are going to have a short introduction about the chapter. Then you will be able to learn what we are going to learn in this chapter. Right? So let me show you an introductory video of the chapter to tell what is this chapter all about. Let us enjoy the video, children.
Introduction. On her holidays, Preeti was traveling with her family. On her way, she saw huge windmills. Her mother told that these windmills use wind energy to generate electricity. She also told her many other resources that give us energy. In this lesson, you will learn about renewable and non-renewable resources. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify different resources available to human, differentiate between renewable and non-renewable resources, identify the ways to save the environment, treasure from the earth. A natural resource is what people can use, which comes from nature. This includes our air, water, wood, oil, wind energy, natural gas, iron, and coal. Renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources that can be renewed naturally over time. Air, water, wind, solar energy, etc. are all renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those natural resources that are available in limited quantity. These resources cannot be renewed in short durations. Examples: coal, natural gas, petroleum, etc. Difference between renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources, non-renewable resources. It can be used again and again. It cannot be used again and again as it is limited, which can be depleted one day. They cannot be exhausted. They can be exhausted. It is environment friendly as the amount of carbon emission is low. It is not environment friendly. These are present in unlimited quantity. These are present in a limited quantity only. The total cost of these resources is low. The total cost of these resources is comparatively high. These are pollution-free. These are not pollution-free. The maintenance cost of these resources is very high. The maintenance cost of these resources is low. Requires large land area for the installation of the power plant. Requires less land area for the installation of the power plant. It is sustainable. It is exhaustible. Causes no harm to life existing on the planet Earth. Adversely affect the health of humans and environment. Oil fields in India. The states having oil fields in India are Andhra Pradesh, Mizoram, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Arunachal Pradesh. Petroleum products. Kerosene, diesel, petrol, engine oil, and fuel for aircrafts, LPG cooking gas, wax, coal tar and grease are also obtained from this. It is also used in making several other things like plastics and paints. Measures to save the environment. Walk, ride your bicycle, or take the bus instead of traveling in a car. Do not waste electricity. Follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Plant more trees. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Resources can be classified as renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources cannot exhaust, whereas non-renewable are limited and can exhaust. We should conserve the natural resources so that we can save the environment.
So children, I hope you had the basic idea of the chapter by this introductory video, and you might have learned about the different types of resources. So what you are supposed to do today, you will have to read the chapter number 12 and list out some important resources by your own. I hope you understood the meaning of 2 types of resources today. Yes. So children, in our next video or next live class, I will be starting with the text content. So I want you all to be prepared with the chapter. Try to solve the internal questions by your own, then we will be able to solve it during the classes. Thank you all of you.